Okay. I want to be on highway.
Hobby King pits, man, they've really stepped up their game. I gotta tell you, Doug.
Does that look like enough elevator?
Not for my taste.
I'd say aileron, yes.
Aileron's way too much. Me. Well, for me, I fly ailerons on low rates on a Maiden.
That is my low rate.
Okay. Oh, it is? Okay, well, you're okay then.
Let's change it. Let's change the elevator. A3X. We got this. We got that. You want to tell them I'm going to Maiden this?
Maiden flight coming out.
Action out.
Have you done any ground testing on it?
No, I probably shouldn't.
I probably wouldn't. At least make sure it ain't got a ground effect on you, like my dad going SIG T-clips. Yeah, right turn looks real good. What about left?
What do you think about that engine? I'm going to do a ground test. Taxi.
Yeah. You want to what?
See, this is the engine I was looking
It almost sounded like it had something rubbing, but I don't see nothing at all touching.
It's not rubbing. I think it's a bearing. So the question is, I gotta put this thing.
Okay.
You landing?
Yeah. All right. Good luck. You don't need no stinking luck. You going to the take off to the north? Are you taking off to the south?
Yeah. So, you know, my trims are normal. Elevator, and that's usually the one you need the most on. Of course, ailerons.
Now you just tell me what you need. I'll reach out, reach in.
Usually it's rudder.
Okay.
You know, because you're trying to keep the plane. Are you rolling on your cam?
Mm-hmm. Oh, well, you called it too, man. You said there was something wrong with that. Maybe it was the prop nut.
Yeah.
Landed.
The other thing is it wouldn't come off the ground.
It may have too much weight. I'm telling you, that's probably one of the heaviest compact planes I've seen. Have you put it on a scale?
Yeah.
I guarantee you that's probably 11 pounds at least.
Oh yeah, I think it's good.
Yeah, probably. That's what it looks like. That prop slipped right off on the prop adapter. Yep. At least that's all it was, man.
Yeah.
Couldn't ask for a better time for it to happen. You know, happen on the ground instead of in the air. Just for giggles, give us some throttle again. Just make sure the shaft is turning true. Uh-oh, it did mess up your cowling though. Yeah, you're fine. No damages. Alright, Doug, I'm hands off unless you need some trim, then holler out left, aileron, left, right, whatever, you know.
go.
All right.
Nope, won't come off the ground.
Wouldn't lift off? Well, did you check the CG on it with that big battery?
Yeah.
Because I didn't. It was CG perfect without a battery in it. This is number 3, right?
Number 3 in the high rates. Motor, everything set, right?
Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, man. What do you think happened there? That almost looked like a AS3X problem. You know what I mean?
Huh?
Yeah, it did take off.
I stalled it.
Landing. Yeah, it did get off the ground.
It got off the ground.
Got off the ground, and
I stalled
it almost looked like an AS3X gyro problem.
No. I stalled it.
That's not yours, is it?
Yes, it is.
Oh, you came off the throttle?
No.
Oh, Dougie, 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 Dougie.
No, I stalled it. You know, you were right about the elevator. I had way too much in the elevator.
Yeah. Oh. Well, there's some. Oh, you got a tremendous amount of weight in there.